Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. Today, we want quickly talk about waiting Rita Tony Edochie, the Nollywood actress, the superstar, use her man TikTok. She promised to delete her dad Jesus, and the words really come to pass. And the matter now still bring come una way. Say may you be careful of who you play with, who you dey close to. Because this woman that you are seeing, she's not just ordinary. According to the way he got son, wey they call Yon Edochie take call am say na Ago Nwanyi, a very strong woman. Everybody for her village don believe say yes, she be really strong woman. A lot of people from reliable source don come outside come dey talk about her, say she too dey na dash na put for there, say nobody wey no one, say as she even comot for their village go marry for the family of Rita Tony Edochie, that is sorry, Tony Edochie, they were very happy. They say she be troublesome person. She not get forgiving heart at all. When I hear that one, I hear this one from the reliable source. Now I say, now true. If you really look at face for here, you will know say the woman, she even passed the lion himself, the Odumeje. My people, what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world? Rita Tony Edochie promised to delete Ada Jesus if she no bring all the people that Ada Jesus claim she used in arranging fake miracle in her godfather's church, which is her godfather, that is her pastor Odumeje the lion himself. So now wetin she talk be that one. He say if Ada Jesus no bring the person come, he say Ada will from there go. True. As I dey talk to una, Ada is nowhere to be found. So all the threat wey she talk, she bring am come to pass. So I use this opportunity to let una know say no be everybody wey e laugh with una na im be real person. You understand? I talk am for the other of my video say make una no dey use all these celebrities say they do real model. They no real, talk less of say the model for in dey inside. You understand? They are not real, talk less of the model. So look face. They say no look with your face, but look face before you dey talk say this one na your real model or the other one na your real model. You understand? Because these days ebega money in one. Ada Jesus wey he turned 22 years on the 19th of April, where he come turn RIP on the 21 of April 2020. Don't forget little crash. I call am little because the one wey Rita Tony Edochie come do, now that one come big pass. Come get little crash with Rita Tony Edochie. So after the two of them get this crash together, wetin come happen? Na Rita Tony Edochie come tell to Ada Jesus say make Ada Jesus no worry, say just like the way she take do to her, na so im go still take do to Ada Jesus. He say but I get the video for here. I will let una watch a clip of wetin she talk when they bring Ada Jesus come in their church. Why I dey talk this thing is may we mind the way we take dey talk, our caution, our talking. That is, we should control whenever we are angry. You understand? Because they say death and life are in the power of our tongue. Even a father-in-law, what they call Pet Edochie, don't still come outside, come still talk. Say he want a brother wife. When this matter they come, when Ada begin they beg from house to house, say may he beg, may they for everybody wey offend. He say he call a brother wife close, say abeg in make you get pity mind for this small pikin. Say na daily bread then she dey find. And the woman say she will never let am go because of say she no know who be her. You understand? Not be everybody that they talk to. We go scot free. You understand? Pet Edochie come say he really talk to her, but in surprise say the way she can't take go out for that.
If you get up from this sickness, then you man no problem na you may say. Nkodi meje di iche. In case of meje di iche, if you get up from this sickness, a man no problem na you may say. You have to get those people. You must get those people that I told you to bring, and you brought them. When you bring them, you get up. That's all. But if you don't bring them, you will go from there. Then others will learn.
My people, una remember this place for this video where this woman talk for here. When if father-in-law listening to this video again, where they call venture Nollywood actor Pet Edochie, he can shock, can say, na his brother why be this one. He say he want his brother from marrying this woman that very time when he fail bring this woman come in house, but the woman no, the brother no here. You understand? If I talk and say, this woman Tarara, it go too much for this family. Una ever don't see Pet Edochie wife for social media. No. You understand? Who see Pet Edochie go know say na policy man, na African man. You understand? Traditional man. Now I take am me. You understand? So they agree. His wife know they come out. Which day his wife picture come even they come outside. Even when this woman start to dey act with different people from Nollywood movie, people come they talk say na Pet Edochie wife. Then people come talk say no be Pet Edochie wife. Now his junior brother, because Pet Edochie will never stoop so low to allow his wife act all this kind parts of movie. You understand? So now wetin happen be that. So when this issue of a thing come, they come outside, and Pet Edochie come to say he want his brother say this agonwa way they carry come has in a thing for a woman born meaning my eye my tongue they tell me, say Pet Edochie now wisdom man, na elderly man. So if they talk some kind things, say people know they listen. So he say he tell his brother say this woman he no gree. Say no be person they find wife for person, and you understand, and you no be find wife for your person wey don't see advance, and not be all person even they collect that this thing, that if you tell them something, you understand. So see the katakata wey the woman come put for ground. A lot of people believe say now just that kidney disease or that stroke na it turn Ada to RIP, but the way she can't take talk for that video, my people, a lot of una listen to the click. I go play and again make una hear. She say if Ada get up from that bed, that ground where they put am for that church, for inside their church, he say me he call and say he no be better person. He say if Ada get up, you go know say Odumeje no be Odumeje. You understand? Now wetin she they try pass to people be that one. He say Ada will go from there and others will learn. And true, her words came to pass. Her words came to pass. This thing really pay me say Ada turned RIP. She turned RIP. It pay me. It pay me. Please, we should temper justice with mercy. Because Rita, Tony Edochie, what you really did was very, very bad. It was very, very bad. See the little girl, 22 years, I'll be 27 years, according to what people are circulating on social media. Just turned RIP all because of daily bread. A lot of people don't firstly offend a lot of people. You want to tell me so you never offend Pet Edochie? Pet Edochie say you know what you talk about many things when you talk about her. You understand? He say you know what you talk about all those ones. But when you let bygone be bygone, nobody will not get past, my people. Nobody will not get past. But we should just let the sleeping dog lie. You understand? Or that's I don't know what I want to put on, because nobody will never offend anybody. Nobody the one who you will say this girl must delete. And as you talk and so you do one. Now as you talk and so you do one. Wait, Tony Edochie, it's no good. You are a mother. You are a mother. See this empty bed for here now. Now the bed where Ada Jesus first day, wait for the diagnose this kidney problem, but this one. You say if oh my God. Now the one Yoruba they talk, oh my shield. Oh my shield. My people, please let mind the way we talk publicly. Please. Rita Edochie really showed me that she is not a superstar. She really showed me that she not get genuine heart towards another person. You use her knack chest, give pikin wey papa God bring come this world. You use her knack chest. Say if you no fit do am, make she know say you no be Rita Tony Edochie. And true, gree am talk to pass. Beautiful Adani, Ada Beke, Omalisha Nwa, may your soul rest in perfect peace. I know say you don't enjoy for that side. Now we just dey talk our own for here. You are already resting in the bosom of the Lord. You are already resting in the bosom of the Lord. I pray that God will give your family the strength to bear the loss, your husband the strength to bear the loss. Oh my God, what a loss to this great family. What a big loss. So my country people, I beg make una no vex say I know just hail una. Now the way the video say they do me, my people, now I don't enter, you understand? Because when I remember that part, now I can say, I can hear from other reliable sources say, see wetin this woman, they say she be real agonwan. She even a nephew, that is a brother wife, a husband, that is wetin they call am, Pet Edochie son still talk and say he auntie na agonwan. Meaning, oh my God, Rita, you better just, I don't know what I want to tell you. He say, look wetin Pet Edochie come still talk again. He say when this palaba begin dey come outside, he call this woman as Ella talk. He talk to her secret and for open. He still call his brother say he know say your wife, if you miss something, you don't mean her. Call her. She no dey respect her. You understand? Your wife no dey respect him wey be senior brother, but call her make you talk to her. Pet Edochie dey vex say this woman come spoil that name Edochie. You understand? He say he dey pain her say the woman still dey married to his brother. If to say the woman don't divorce from his brother, now if for still that is the matter for the good for ear. But the thing dey pain her. Say he want her, say leave this matter. This woman say no. He go make sure say this girl delete. As I dey talk to una so, Rita Tony Edochie no dey turn again. She don't run enter Ghana. Reliable source say she don't pass backyard enter Ghana. Person see am for Ghana when she dey run the go. So my country people, make I leave una for this junction. We will see for another video wey you know what to say. And remain una humble sister, AB World Entertainment. I beg if you just dey come across this video, may you like, may you watch, and also comment, leave on the notification bell, subscribe also. As you do so, God bless you. May God carry this kind of calamity away from you and your family in Jesus' name. My returning subscriber, you all are welcome. So my new subscriber, may God bless you all for me in Jesus' name. Bye everyone, and choose. Rest in peace. Ada Beke, Ada Omalisha Nwa, Ada.
This girl said, if you get up from this sickness, then a man or problem na him. If you get up from this sickness, a man or problem na him. You have to get those people. You must get those people that I told you to bring, and you brought them. When you bring them, you get up. That's all. But if you don't bring them, you will go from there. Then others will learn.